Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to delete the videos draft on TikTok. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. A TikTok draft is a video that you've uploaded to your TikTok but not published yet. Likely you're still working on editing on the video before it goes live, or you are waiting for the best time to publish the video. During this phase, the video remains you in your drafts. So what if you want to delete the video draft from your TikTok? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can just go to your profile. As you can see in here, I have 4 drafts on my TikTok. You can open that. To delete it from your drafts, you can just tap on the upper right corner on the select icon here. You can choose on the videos that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this one. Now you can tap on delete and choose on delete so that videos has been removed from your draft on TikTok. So why you need to delete your drafts? Some of the reason is to clear your drafts. Include you want to declutter your profile page so that it only has your published videos, or you want to free up your phone space that's been occupied by your drafted videos. So that is, you'll need to clear your drafts on each of your videos. TikTok enable devices individually. So deleting the drafts on one device, one deleted draft you create on another device. So that is how to delete drafts on your TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.